The question I got asked is, how do I take a Google Sheet and have it every time a new Google Sheet opens, I want it to have a different default font, a different default font size, and I want the view to be at 150% instead of 100. I could find no way to change the default font from Arial to Google. I could find no way to change the default font size, and I could find no way to default my Google Sheets that when they open, they're at 150%. So I really don't have a good answer beyond maybe one of these ideas. Number one is I could select all. I can make that Georgia. I could change the font to 12, and in here I could change the view to 150. And then I can save this as a template sheet. Let me save that. There it goes, it's saved. Now I can close this down. Let's see if the 150 comes back. I know the Georgia and the 12 will. So then I can go here and I can refresh this. And I can open my template sheet. When I open my template sheet, I'm going to have Georgia 12, but I'm not going to have the 150. I cannot make that a default. But I could create a template sheet that is Georgia and 12. And if I want to use Georgia and 12, I can do File and make a copy. But that's 3 clicks. So I had to do this. I had to open this sheet. First I had to find it, open the sheet. That's 2 clicks. Then I had to do File 3, 4, give it a new name, put it where I want to put it, fix my grammar, and make a copy. That's a bunch of clicks. However, let's get rid of this sheet. And from Drive, I can do New. That's 2 clicks. I can do Control A. That's basically 3 clicks. I can change that to Google ++. That's 3, 4. And then 5, 6. 6 clicks on every new sheet. I get it. It can be tedious. However, this may be easier and quicker than creating a template, opening the template, renaming the template. Just an idea. Create a template. You're not going to be able to default the size of the zoom, but you can default the font and the size of the font in that template spreadsheet that you can make a copy of each time. I wish I had a better solution, but this is the best I have to share right now. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. Have a good day.